Hello students, hello students. Welcome to Uma Devi Children Academy. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about the topic is cell constant, their numericals, molar conductivity, numericals, and the equivalent conductivity and their numericals. Hello students. So first is the numerical based on the cell constant. Right. So first numerical is resistance of conductivity of the cell containing 0.001 molar concentration of KCl solution at 298 Kelvin. 1 at the 1500 ohm. What is the cell constant if resistance is 0.146 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Siemens centimeter. This is Siemens centimeter. Siemens centimeter. So this is a Siemens centimeter, the unit of resistance. Okay friends, cell constant means students the conductivity by conductance. Right students? So the conductivity is K and the conductance is J. So conductance means again inverse of resistance, that is 1 by R. Again the 1 by R taken as a K into R. So K value 0.146, sorry, R value is 0.146 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and the conductance is the conductance is the K, conductivity is the 1500 ohm. So that's why the unit is, sorry, the cell constant is 219 into 10 to the power of minus 3. That's right. Molar conductivity. Molar conductivity means the 1 mole of electrolyte solution. The conductivity of 1 mole of electrolyte solution called as a molar conductivity. For example, students, if we are use the electrolyte, a beaker in which we are adding the electrolyte AB, right? So molecular mass of AB electrolytes adding into 1 liter of water. So that is the 1 molar. That solution is 1 molar. So if you want to calculate the conductivity of this 1 molar solution, that is called molar conductivity. If you want to calculate the conductivity of this 1 molar solution, conductivity called as molar conductivity. Right students? So molar conductivity is equal to, molar conductivity divided by the lambda m. Lambda m into, that is K by C. Right students? So let's see the continue. Lambda m into K by C. C means concentration. Already we are studying the solution chapter. Concentration means the moles by volume. Right students? So K is moles by volume, that is C. In place of C we write here N by V. Right students? So again the formula becomes, by rearranging the formula, K into V liter by N. So what is V? So number of moles in volume of solution in liter. Number of moles volume of solution in liter. So that's why we are using here the liter, students. Right? So liter means the 1000 ml. We are using here the 1000 ml. 1000 ml. And the moles, how many moles we are using? We are using the molarity moles. So that we are using the molarity, capital M, molarity. In place of N, we are using the capital M because the moles present in the molarity of the solutions. Moles present in molarity, that is capital M. Right students? Equivalent conductivity. Equivalent conductivity means the conductivity of one equivalent of electrolyte substance called as equivalent conductivity. Last time we have discussed what is equivalent conductivity. Equivalent conductivity means the atomic mass divided by valence electrons. That is we call as a equivalent weight. So equivalent weight of the substance dissolved in 1 liter of water, that is we call as a equivalent solution. Correct. If you are using the any solution, their equivalent weight, the equivalent weight are dissolved into the 1 liter of water, the solution is 1 equivalent electrolyte. So we have to calculate the conductivity of 1 equivalent electrolyte, that is called as a equivalent conductivity. Right. So equivalent conductivity formula similar to the molar conductivity, that is lambda EQ. Here we are using EQ, K into 1000 by N. N means normality. So equivalent conductivity, the concentration we are using in the normality of the solutions. Right, students. So here the units are mentioned, students. The conductivity is Siemens per centimeter, normality equivalent per centimeter cube. Again the Siemens per centimeter means ohm per meter centimeter square, equivalent the Siemens per centimeter equivalent. This is a unit. Resistance of conductivity cell filled in a 0.1 moles per liter KCl solution is 100 ohm. If resistance of same cell filled with the 0.02 moles per liter KCl solution, resistance is 520 ohm. Calculate conductivity, K, molar conductivity, lambda m of 0.02 moles per liter of KCl solution, and the conductivity K for the 0.1 solution conductivity is 1.29. Right, students. So here, students, we are using the two beaker we are using here, in which the one in which we are using the both are KCl solution. One is the concentration is 0.1, another concentration is 0.02, and here dip the two electrodes, and here after dipping the two electrodes, what are the conductivity we got, right? Some XYZ we got here. The same length of the electrode and the same area of electrode again remove from the first beaker and dipped into second beaker. These two electrodes are removed from this with the same distance with the same electrode and dipped into second solution. Then what is the conductivity and molar conductivity? Right, students. So here the first solution, this is the first solution, concentration 0.1, resistance 100 ohm, conductivity is 1.29. So we are using the same cell we are using on the second cell also, that's why we have to use the cell constant K into R. The K is 1.29, resistance is 100, that is 129. Right, students. And this is the concentration of the second solution. Concentration of second solution 0.02, resistance 520, conductivity and lambda m. Right. So 0.02 convert into 20 ml. Right, students. So in this case, the conductivity, we have to find out the conductivity of 520 ohm. So how much conductivity of the conductivity exists at the resistance is 520 ohm. So G star we already know that is equal to K into R. The K is outside, then G star by R. The G star is 129 and the resistance is 520. Then the conductivity is 0.00248. Right, students. Then this value substitute into the lambda m molar conductivity, then you got the answer is 124 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Right, students, understood? Okay, students, second question. The electrical resistance of a column 0.05 moles per liter NaOH solution, diameter is 1 centimeter, length is 50 centimeter, and is 5.55 10 to the power of minus 3 ohm. Ohm means it is a resistance. Calculate the resistivity, conductivity and molar conductivity. So in this case, the diameter is 1 centimeter is given, students. Diameter 1 centimeter, length is 50 centimeter, resistance is 5.5, and the resistance we have to find out, conductivity and lambda we have to be find out here. So solution is, area means we have to find out the area. So area means pi r square. So pi 3.142 and the r square value 0.5. Whatever the diameter is there, the half of the diameter value is radius. So that is the radius is 0.5 square. So we got the area is 0.87855. That's right. So we have to calculate the resistance with the help of this equation. So students, resistance R is equal to formula R. Yesterday we have discussed R is equal to rho into L by A. We have to calculate the resistivity. So that's the resistivity taken as outside. Then the formula becomes rho is equal to R into A by L. Rho is 5.55 10 to the power of 3. A is the 0.7855 centimeter square and the L is the 50 centimeter. Then we got the resistivity is 0.07871. Right. So with the help of resistivity, we have to calculate the conductivity also. Conductivity is equal to inverse of resistivity. So resistivity value put here, the 1 by 0.7871. Then you got the conductivity is 11.48. Right, students? Next, the lambda m molar conductivity. After finding out the conductivity K into 1000 by m, the K value 11.48 1000 and the concentration is 0.05. Then you got the answer is 229.6 Siemens centimeter square per mole. This is the unit of the molar conductivity. Right, students? Okay, I hope you understood the today example, students. If you find any doubt, ask me, students. Thank you so much.